Are you planning to sell your home this spring? As a seller, you will be making very important decisions, including how much access to give potential buyers. Hi, I'm Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at eXp Realty. When marketing your home for sale, an important part of the listing process is allowing buyers to see your home. As a general rule, you should give potential buyers enough access to your home so they can, allow them to make informed decisions on the purchase. Of course, as a seller, you will also want some sort of a balance between providing access and protecting your privacy and security. The best practice is to schedule open houses or private showings with your real estate agents who can vet potential buyers to make sure they're serious about the purchasing and they're not just looky-loos. Other ways of access include putting a lockbox on the door for licensed real estate agents to come through with their buyers, by appointments only, or limited access, meaning only on certain days and certain times. Ultimately, the level of access you want to provide buyer is a personal decision. It will depend on your individual circumstances and preference. But if you want to maximize the sale of your home, you can't limit potential buyers' access. If your home is not accessible, it could cost you by sitting on the market longer. It's always best to discuss with your real estate agent your concerns so they can map out a strategy that works for you. Contact my team and I today so we can help you strategize the sale of your home and guide you every step of the way. You deserve to get the most money from your home. Thank you so much for watching. Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at eXp Realty, putting you first every step of the way.